Thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went into Family Dollar. I don't know why I got Family Dollar on my mind. Went into Dollar General to see what they have, in the stock, which they do have a lot of stuff going on. But it's kind of slow this week. The coupons and the deals, there's some. I'm not going to say there's none. There is some, okay? So what I'm going to do is let you all know what I got, okay? So the first thing I got was these, I guess they're called Penolins. They're out of the dollar aisle. They are $1 a piece. You usually see them in red. This is the first time I've seen them in the green. This is the pine, okay? And like I said, they are $1 a piece in the dollar aisle. There is a digital coupon, $1 off of 2, all right? For these two products, okay? The next thing is the Welch's. The Welch's fruit snacks. These are the little ones that are 34 cents. There is a $1 off of 2 digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing on this Chic. The Chic, y'all, they are still on sale. I think they are on sale until April the 21st, I believe. They are $4 on sale. There is a $3 off digital coupon that is attaching. I am using my husband's number, okay? This is on my husband's number. So then the next thing is these Playtex Sports. They are $3. I believe they are $3.50 for the Playtex. Yes, $3.50. That is the original price. But there is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. Now, this is the bonus. The coupons usually don't attach to the bonus, but the coupon that I have, it attached to this bonus with the 14 plus 2, making 2 extra tampons. It did attach to this product, okay? So then the next thing are these Playtex. Lord, today is not my day as far as doing this. It's digitals, okay? This video. All right, so on the Pantene, there is a digital coupon. There is $5 off of 3. I usually see it on the shampoo, but I scanned the conditioner and the $5 off of 3 did attach to the conditioner, okay? So, like I said, these are $1.50 a piece. They are in the trial size if you're trying to, trial sizes if you're trying to find them, okay? They are $1.50 each. There is a $5 off of 3 digital coupon that is attaching, giving you a little bit of overage, which will go into your rest of the products, okay? The last thing is this Cottonelle. The Cottonelle is on sale for $4.75. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. It is the 12 packs, okay? It is attaching to this product, okay? Then also, you can go on Fetch and scan this if you are with Fetch Rewards, and you can get some points for purchasing this Cottonelle. If you don't have no one, if you want to join my team, just go into my description and my code is on there. I forgot. I'm thinking once you buy the product, scan the receipt, then you can get some points back, okay? And then you can start from there and build your points up. There is a lot of gift cards that you can actually use for Fetch. That is a great app, okay? So after everything has been scanned, all the coupons came off. My subtotal was $6.18. So let me show you my receipt. Okay. There is the Welch's, the Playtex, the Pantene, the Cottonelle, the I think it's called Penolin. It's actually like a cleaners. All right. Chic. There's everything, and there is $6.18. My total savings was $13.25. If you want to actually, and then there's my 5 off of 25. If you want to take all this and you still got those digital coupons or, you know, another number, you can take this and put it for Saturday in a 5 off of 25. But y'all, this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.